Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Wicked, and tonight I'm gonna be showing you an in-depth review of this new keyboard I got here. This is a NewMan GL800V2 and I got it from my local Romanian store, PC Garage. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy it. If you're a Romanian and you want to buy it, please make sure you visit the link right down in the description. But in this review, I'm gonna be taking a look at this keyboard. As I said, this is a newer version of the older brother, the GL800, and I read on some forums that it had some problems, and that's why NewMan decided to release a brand new variant, and this is what I got here in front of me. This major review, will be split in a couple of parts. In the first one, I'm going to be discussing the unboxing of the keyboard. Then the second part, I'm going to be getting to the installation part, and then to all the features. It's a gaming keyboard, so it benefits of LED backlit. So it's LED backlit. It has 3 available colors from where you can switch back and forth, and the more features that this keyboard comes with, I'm going to be discussing in the following minutes. The last part, but not the least, I'm going to be doing a sound test, a clicking test, and then I'm going to be recording the device and my typing, and just to show you how precise it is, whether it is or it's not. So without further ado, let's get into the first part, which is, as I told you, the unboxing part. The NewMan keyboard comes in a long box, as you would expect from a keyboard. I like the fact that it is translated into the local language, which is a nice touch. On the side, you have different logos regarding the product you bought. In order to open the package, all you need to do is to flip it over and open up the 2 flaps that hold the box closed. Then open it and you'll find the keyboard inside with a little piece of paper you can toss away. Everything written there can be found on the box, with a better range of seeing what's going on if you press the X button. On the first side, the keyboard is made out of plastic. I'd rather say a soft one, since it blends a little when you put it to the test. The lightnings visible on the front of the keyboard look really well, and I cannot wait to see how they look with the lights off. Neither can you, am I right? Then let me turn off the light and see how this new keyboard performs. I will let in some cinematic sound effects to make it more dramatic, and I'll catch you back in a couple of moments. The color of the LEDs can be changed by pressing Function key plus Tab key. And you can switch back and forth between 3 different colors. Blue, which is the most dimmed out, cyan and green, which have a wider range of visibility. You can also make them breathe by pressing Function key plus Escape key, and also change the intensity of the entire illumination system. It looks great, but how it performs in the 60 words in 60 seconds typing challenge? Let's find out. Least part of this overview, which is the typing precision, and I'm here on a website called Fast Fingers, and I'm going to be trying to type 60 words in 60 seconds with this NewMan brand new keyboard. And to make sure you guys also hear the sound the keyboard makes when I'm typing, I'm gonna be putting I'll put the microphone right here next to the keyboard, almost here, and let's hope the best. It will catch some beautiful clicks. Sorry. Okay, so without further ado, let's hit caps and start. This is a text. Almost 0059, and the accuracy of this keyboard, it's the first time I'm typing with this keyboard except the website in the Google Chrome browser, and an accuracy, as you may see, of 90.5%, which I reckon it's great for this test. As you may see, I typed 305 correct keystrokes with 15 corrections, 57 words were correct and 3 were wrong. Okay guys, so this was the last part of my review. My brand new NewMan GL800V2 keyboard is excellent. And let me say a few words before I end this review, because it's really important to make a conclusion before. And I have to say, I paid no more than $15 for this keyboard. This is the equivalent of 60 lei in Romania. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with the quality of this keyboard. Of course, it will be a fingerprint magnet over time. For the record, comparing the value of money I spent on this keyboard and the quality it comes with surprised me. And I have to say, it's a great value for the price you pay. And that's the conclusion. I think it's a best buy in this range of price range. And if you like my video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. By doing so, you'll keep me motivated doing this kind of stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. WCKD is out. Bye bye.